Hi guys, this college is the most diversified college you'll get, and it's not because of any diversity ranking, the diversity rating, extra marks for non-engineer. We'll talk about that, why this college have the best batch profile and diversity. Number one pointer is the gender. Look at the gender ratio. Male-female ratio is 47:53, among the best in the country. This is the ideal scenario you can get, 47:53. Total batch size is also less, 180 batch, which is a very good batch size. If you look at the student with work experience or freshers, 58 students, 60 students almost out of 180 are of freshers. WorkX wale up to 12 months of WorkX, 55 students, and another 60-70 odd students have WorkX of more than 13 months. So again, a very well balanced batch from the work experience point of view. And the main thing, engineers BE BTech is only 41%, which is still not bad. 41%, BBM 16%. Any guess which college I'm talking about? BCom 13%, BSc 5%, BBA BMS 21%, and hotel management design other 4%. So again, a very well balanced batch. And this is not because of any extra marks, any quota system which CAT is doing. Like CAT is giving 3% marks for all the non-engineers, academic diversity. Yeah, 2% extra mark for girls for gender diversity. Here, everything sorted because their admission process is in such a way. Let's look at the admission process. CAT weightage is only to 20%. 30% weightage is for the MyCAT exam. 20% weightage for the GDPI, and 30% weightage GE, and 50% for PI. So 50% weightage is for your GPI and 50% weightage is for your exam. No 10-12 के mark, nothing seen. सबके लिए equal, no gender को marks, किसी को marks नहीं. And the main why this factor came in, because of these two things. They are giving very high weightage for GPI and MyCAT score. So college we're talking about, of course, is MyCAT. And why this diversity come? Because there is psychometric test. There is psychometric test. There are descriptive test. You have to write an essay. You have to write story, and then your logic, quant, verbal, all the areas. Typical CAT section. So typical quant questions are less. Typical CAT based questions are less. Descriptive and psychometric questions are more. 2/3 of the paper is still open for everyone to score. And because of all these things, it become an equal level opportunity for everyone to perform. Unlike CAT exam, where they ask you question, logs, function graph, everything, which obviously the batch becomes skewed towards MBA for engineer. Sorry, here everyone have an equal chance. And with average salary of 12.8 lakh last year to now 13.9 lakh is the average salary at MyCAT. So this is at par with all the at least the new IIMs and the baby IIMs. So getting a similar package of a new IIM or a baby IIM at MyCAT. Alright, so MyCAT is one college which we talk about today, which have a very well diversified batch, mainly because of the admission process is like that. And trust me, if other exams CAT, if they want to evolve, they want to become more diversified, rather than having a quota system, is better to make the exam more comfortable for everyone. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.